Hello, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a fundamental concept that's crucial in the world of software development and beyond version control. But what exactly is version control, and why is it so important? Let's take a minute to explore this. Imagine you're working on a project. It could be a software application, a digital document, or any piece of creative work. As you develop your project, you make changes, adding new features, fixing bugs, or updating content. But with every change, there's a risk. What if something goes wrong? What if you need to undo a change or revisit an earlier version? That's where version control comes in. It's like a time machine for your project. Version control systems allow you to save snapshots of your project at various points in its development. Each snapshot, or commit, logs what changed, when and who made the change. This not only helps in tracking and managing changes, but also facilitates collaboration among multiple contributors. Whether you're working alone or as part of a team, version control is indispensable. It ensures that you can always backtrack to a safe state if anything goes wrong, compare different versions to understand changes, and merge contributions from multiple team members seamlessly. In summary, version control is not just about keeping a history of changes. It's about empowering you to develop and collaborate with confidence, knowing that every part of your project's evolution is carefully tracked and manageable, and that's why it's a cornerstone of modern digital creation. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into how version control works, specifically with tools like Git and platforms like GitHub, transforming the way we create and collaborate in the digital age. Now that we understand what version control is, let's delve into the why. Why is version control considered a linchpin in software development and content creation? The benefits are manifold, impacting everything from collaboration to the very integrity of your projects. Let's break it down. First up, collaboration. In today's digital landscape, projects are rarely a solo endeavor. Version control systems like Git facilitate seamless collaboration among teams, regardless of their size or geographic distribution. They do this by allowing multiple contributors to work on the same project without stepping on each other's toes. Changes made by one person can be easily merged with those made by others, ensuring a harmonious workflow. Next, let's talk about change tracking. With version control, every modification to your project is tracked and recorded. This doesn't just mean you can see what changes were made, you can also see who made them and when. This level of detail is invaluable for understanding the evolution of your project, pinpointing when a specific change was introduced, and even attributing contributions. And perhaps one of the most comforting features of version control is the ability to undo mistakes. Ever made a change that you immediately regretted? Or discovered a bug that wasn't there yesterday? Version control systems allow you to revert your project back to a previous state before the mistake was made. It's like having a powerful undo button that can reset weeks of work if needed, providing a safety net that encourages innovation and experimentation. These benefits, collaboration, change tracking, and the ability to undo mistakes, are just the tip of the iceberg. But they're fundamental to why version control is indispensable in modern development practices. Whether you're a developer, a content creator, or anyone who works on digital projects, embracing version control means embracing a more organized, transparent, and flexible way of working. Stay with us as we continue to explore how tools like Git and platforms like GitHub can be leveraged to harness these benefits, taking your projects and your teamwork to the next level. Diving deeper into the tools that make version control a breeze, let's talk about Git, the engine under the hood for many developers worldwide. Git isn't just another tool, it's a distributed version control system that has fundamentally changed how we think about coding together. Git's magic lies in its distributed architecture. Unlike centralized systems, where there's a single repository everyone works off, Git gives each developer their own local repository, complete with the entire project history. This approach decentralizes the workflow, allowing for more flexibility and reducing reliance on a central server. The benefits of this system are multifold. It enables developers to work offline, provides robustness against data loss, since each repository is a full backup and allows for more scalable and flexible collaboration processes. Beyond its architecture, Git's real power is in its features. Speed and data integrity are at its core, with efficient handling of projects of any size. But perhaps its most celebrated feature is its branching and merging model. Git branches are incredibly lightweight and easy to switch between, making them perfect for feature development, bug fixes, and experimenting with new ideas. Each branch in Git serves as an independent line of development, allowing teams to work in parallel. Merging these branches integrates changes back into the main project, a seamless process that has revolutionized collaboration and review cycles. Git's impact extends beyond its technical capabilities, shaping the ecosystem of tools we use. Platforms like GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket build on Git's foundations, offering collaborative features, code hosting, and project management tools, making software development more accessible and connected. Understanding Git is more than learning a tool. It's about embracing a workflow that promotes collaboration, innovation, and efficiency. As we move forward, we'll explore how to leverage Git in your projects, mastering the art of version control to bring your development process to the next level. Having understood the essentials of Git, let's now shift gears to the practical side of things, setting up Git on your machine and creating a GitHub account. This is where your journey with version control really begins. To install Git, start by visiting the official Git website at gitscm.com. I will also leave a link in the comments below. On the download page of the site, you'll find the links for various operating systems. Whether you're on Windows, macOS, or Linux, Git has got you covered. For Windows users, after downloading, run the installer and follow the setup wizard. The default settings are usually fine for most users, but feel free to customize the installation options to fit your needs. With Git installed, let's move on to setting up your GitHub account, a crucial step for hosting your projects and collaborating with others. Head over to github.com and click on Sign Up. Choosing a username is your first step. Remember, this name will be visible to other users and can be part of your professional identity, so choose wisely. After selecting a username, enter a valid email address and a strong password. GitHub will then send you an email to verify your address, an essential step to activate your account. Once your account is activated, take a moment to complete your profile. Adding a profile picture and filling out your bio can make your profile more personable and professional. Whether you're seeking collaboration, job opportunities, or sharing your projects, a complete profile speaks volumes. Setting up Git and creating a GitHub account are the first steps in your journey to mastering version control and collaborating on software projects. With these tools at your disposal, you're ready to contribute to the world of open source and collaborative development. Next, we'll explore the basic Git commands to get you started on that path.